students, welcome back to social studies. Yes, what all we studied at previous class? Yes, we studied at the previous classes parts of the plants, as well as we got to know in which part of the we'll call as shoot, root, leaves, trees, green leaves and vegetables. We learnt it, right? Yes. Now we'll see needs of the plants. What all we required to grow a plant? Okay. Yes. Everybody, open your page number 12. Yes. My needs. Do you really care for me? Yes. We always care for you. For what purpose? We need fresh air. We need a lovely nature. So what we will do? We always care for the plants. Yes. How the plants will be grown? I told you, right? From root to shoot, shoot to stem, stem to leaf, leaf to flower. Now we'll see what all it requires to grow so and so. Okay. First, what we need? Yes, we always need water, right? Without water we can grow the plants? No. After the water, what we need? Soil, right? In soil only we can plant a plant, right? Yes. After the soil we need sunlight. Yes. What we need? Sunlight, right? Yes. Water, from the water, soil and sunlight. Later, what we require to grow a plant? Yes, carbon dioxide, right? Carbon dioxide. Okay. Yes, what all we need to growth of the plant? Yes, we need water, soil, sunlight and carbon dioxide, right? Yes, without sunlight or your soil or your water, it cannot grow. Okay, now we'll see plants are able to turn sunlight into a energy. Yes, without sunlight plant cannot get the energy. Yes, a plant need water and sunlight, carbon dioxide and minerals from soil to grow. Yes, obviously a plant required water, soil, sunlight, carbon dioxide for what purpose? Yes, to grow. Without this they can't, right? Yes. Now we'll see the kitchen of a plant. Yes, what we can see? The kitchen of a plant, right? Yes, and now we'll see what is this? Sunlight, right? Next, air. Next, water. This is root. This is stem. I told you, right? Root to shoot, shoot to stem, stem to leaves, leaves to flower. Yes, and main thing for root, what it's required? Water. After that, air. After that, sunlight. Because due to that, we can grow the plants, right? Yes. See, fill in the blanks above. What all they given here, we have to fill that. Yes. Plant makes their food using sunlight, water and pigment is called as chlorophyll. It is nothing but whichever the plants is grown we will use for the food purpose, right? Yes, for that what all they required? Sunlight, water, soil and carbon dioxide. Yes, this four main thing it is uses for the growing of the plant. Fresh or dried bay leaves are used to cook for their flavors. Yes. Whenever our mama will prepare some like some breakfast like palau, tomato bath, she will put some dried bay, right, she will put some leaf. As with mama, she will show that, okay, that leaves is used for cooking for their flavors. As well as coriander, everybody know coriander, right? What they will do, that coriander they will make to dry it and they will use to flavor purpose. We will call as kasturi methi. Okay, yes. Next we will see tobacco leaves are injurious to health. Yes, tobacco leaves basically it is contained in the like cigarettes, so and so it will be inted, so it is also a injurious to our health. Okay, yes. At the same place in South Indian, banana leaves are used to serve the food because the leaves are in broad and flat. Yes, everybody knows that how the banana leaves will be. We will call as balehele, right? Yes, so that it is famous in the South Indian. What they will do? They always prefer to serve a food. Yes, as well as because why they used to serve the food? Because it is very broad, very big, and it is in the way of flat, right? Yes. During winter, there is not enough the light or water. Photosynthesis, the plants begins to shut down their food making factories. Yes, obviously during winter time we won't get such kind of light. Okay, it will always be very cloudy, right? Yes, so plants always, it will always be in the form of shutdown and it won't make a food making factories. Okay, yes. Now we'll see things need by plants to make food, or what all we need? Yes, we need sunlight, water and soil. Okay, yes, I said you right already. Yes. Next we'll see dash makes food for the plants. Which will make? Yes, leaves make food for the plants. Okay, dash leaves are used to flavor the food. Which? Yes, it is nothing but flavor the food which will use. Yes, dried bay. Tell to mama to show, she will show. Okay, dried bay leaves, or else kasturi methi. I gave you example, right? Yes, for what purpose we'll use that? We'll use it for the flavor purpose. Dash leaves are injurious to health. What I told? Yes, tobacco leaves. Which leaves? Tobacco leaves. Okay, tobacco leaves. Yes. At some places in South Indian, which leaves are used to serve the food? Yes, banana leaves, right? Yes, banana leaves. Okay, you got through now? Yes. Next, what all we studied today? What all to grow the plants we required? Water, soil, sunlight, carbon dioxide, right? Yes. And what all the plants need to make a food? Sunlight, water and soil, as well as what it requires? Carbon dioxide, right? Which dash makes a food for the plants? Which will make? Leaf makes a food for the plants. And which leaves is we'll use for the flavor purpose? Yes, dried bay or a kasturi methi, mint, we can take it such leaves. Does leaves which injurious to our health? Yes, obviously tobacco. Okay, and in some of the place south, especially in South Indian, which leaves they use to serve the food? Banana leaves. Okay, yes, those and all we studied. Now at the next class we'll see different types of the plants. Clear? Okay students, bye. See you at next class.